You can order the front engine splash shield used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. In order to change the front engine splash shield on your vehicle, you will need to lift your vehicle to have full access. Lift the front of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Toyota Camry safely before carrying out this step. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, remove the 3 screws that hold the mud flap. Repeat this step on the other side. Using the same tools, unscrew the 5 screws holding the 2-piece engine splash shield. Using a fork, remove the 3 rivets holding the half splash shield on the passenger side. Then remove it by sliding it towards the rear of the vehicle. Repeat the operation on the half splash shield on the driver's side.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the front engine splash shield used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Put the splash shield back in place on the driver's side. Then put the 2 rivets back in place. Install the splash shield on the passenger side. Then put the 3 rivets back in place. Replace the mud flap. Screw back in the 3 screws holding the mud flap. Repeat this step on the other side. Then screw the 5 retaining screws back in. Then you can rest your vehicle on the ground. Operation complete.